Hi students, as you know we have all the pieces in place to perform the first iteration of this Cul-De-Sac design. Now in this exercise we will walk you through the steps to put the Cul-De-Sac together, and we will complete several steps and let the corridor build to observe what is happening at each stage. In this exercise we will also encourage you to get the comfortable using the corridor properties dialog to make design modification. Just open 1003 drawing from the description link. If you did not get, just write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. This drawing contains the Cul-De-Sac centerline alignment and profile, the EOP alignment and profile, and the assemblies needed to complete the process. We already complete these portion in the previous exercise. If you did not check the previous exercise, please watch first, then you can get what is going on and what we will do now in this exercise, because it was the first portion of Cul-De-Sac corridor building, and now in this exercise we will complete Cul-De-Sac corridor. From the contextual tab, just select your corridor, and from the contextual tab modify corridor panel, click here add baseline. In the create corridor baseline, select road E Cul-De-Sac from the drop down list and click OK, and in the select profile dialog select FG road E Cul-De-Sac from the drop down list and click OK to continue. From the contextual tab modify region panel, select add regions. At the select baseline, click over the Cul-De-Sac alignment in the drawing, and at the specify region start, just put 0 at the command bar and press enter, and then for the end of alignment we need 113.26, which is our alignment and station, and just press enter. In the create corridor region under the assembly, select curve return from the drop down list and click OK to continue. Now in the target mapping dialog box, in the object name column click none next to the target surface and select existing surface from the pick a surface dialog box and click OK to dismiss a pick a surface dialog. Just press escape. The curved return assembly has been wrapped around the Cul-De-Sac as shown here. However, the curve's frequency needs to be increased to mimic the curvature of the Cul-De-Sac bulb. Also, an offset and elevation target will have to be set so that the pavement of assembly stretches to connect horizontally and vertically to the center line design of road E. Again, on the contextual tab, select edit frequencies and add the select region to edit. Click anywhere inside the Cul-De-Sac portion of the corridor and be careful not to select inside the donut hole in the center of the Cul-De-Sac. In the frequency to apply assembly dialog, change the along curve setting to by curvature and put the value of mid ordinate distance 0.03 and click OK to continue. Just press escape. To stretch the pavements to meet the horizontal and vertical center line of road E, on the contextual tab, modify panel, select edit targets and then select your region, press enter, and now we have to set with target and profile target. For width target, we will use alignment of road E, which we can select here, which we have road E, and for the outset elevation target, which is our vertical targets of road E profile. So we need to select here at G road E and then press OK to continue. So now if you see, we have here a complete corridor of Cul-De-Sac, which is following our road E center line alignment and center line finished ground profile. Now select corridor and click on the corridor properties from the contextual tab. On the perimeter tab, just inspect the baseline and region that are accumulating in your corridor. When you finish inspecting, you can close the corridor and it will ask for the rebuild the corridor. Just select to rebuild the corridor and finish. So this is how we can build our corridor using edge of pyramid design of Cul-De-Sac bulb and using any existing road, center line alignment and profile. For more technical videos related to intersection and corridor modeling of roundabouts, stay tuned with us.